Hello and welcome to LTD Junkie, a podcast where I review the top lifetime deals and how they could benefit your business. My name is Mike, and I use my 18 years of experience in software and design to dig deep into each software platform. Thanks for joining us today. Hello again, junkies. In this episode, we are going to talk about how you can set up your WordPress website using the tools that are for sale on AppSumo. So if you're new to LTDs or lifetime deals and have just tuned into the show, think of it this way. Software used to be bought at a one-time price until companies have started their subscription prices to access this software. So LTDs are usually software as a service SaaS platforms offered at a one-time price for consumers. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, I'm logged in to my WordPress website. So this is actually hosted on one of the previous deals on AppSumo, which is the StartHosting. So this would be the control panel for StartHosting, and it's actually in Linux, so it's still available for sale on another website. I'll just post it in the description, the link to that deal. So going back to our WordPress website, I have actually different plugins that I'm using currently for to speed up my website, like RabbitLoader. So that's a previous deal on AppSumo. Same with the backup sheet, which was also available on AppSumo. And I've also have here the PWA for WordPress. So my WordPress website will be able to be like a progressive web app. I've also installed ContentBot, some plugins that were not available on AppSumo, like CSS0. But I also activated Ipso, which does customization for your WordPress website. And then Loginpress, of course, for customizing my login, hiding my login. I also have Metabox for this custom post types that I've put in. My favorite theme for any WordPress website that I'm building is from Themeisle. It's actually a previous deal on AppSumo. So I use the Neve Pro, which comes with a few other plugins on their theme, as well as this one, Essential Post Grid and Filter. I'll show later how that looks like. And then Qubely for the Gutenberg blocks. Okay, so RabbitLoader Simple Otterbox Pro. So this is actually a plugin that you use for your Otterbox. Soliloquy sliders, I also installed that. Squirrly, of course, for the SEO. And then I have WebTotem for the security, and so on. So I'll just show you quickly how it looks like. So basically it's all in Gutenberg. I don't like third-party page builders on the website, so it's all Gutenberg over here. I embedded a Serpwis in here, and then of course this is a Whatnot chatbot. This is a Chai-all widget. So I'll show you quickly the one from Essential Tools. So it's a plugin where you can actually filter out or add filters to your custom post types. So this one, for example, I want video tools. Let's say Animaker. They currently have a Cyber Monday deal, so you just visit this link below on my website at mrdesign.com. That's mrdzyn.com. Okay, so basically it's my website is currently a work in progress. I also have my podcast, which is hosted on podcast.go and then embedded on the this one, and then the contact page. It's right now it's currently in here. I think the form, I have to change this later. Try to sync it with the Sweet Dash. Okay, so there you have it, folks. If you want the video version, just head on over to my YouTube channel. It's on youtube.com/@mrdesign, mrdzyn. And again, I hope you like this podcast episode, and see you later, junkies. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and be sure to subscribe to our podcast to get notified of the newest software on lifetime deal. Follow us on social media or subscribe to our newsletter. See you later, junkies!